Today we're going to talk about the sequence of our alphabet. Sequence means order. First, we're going to touch and count to see how many letters are in the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. There are two types of letters. There are vowels and there are consonants. The vowels in this alphabet strip are colored red. All the other letters are consonants. Repeat after me. My left hand is my before hand. My right hand is my after hand. The initial letter of the alphabet is A. The final letter of the alphabet is Z. All the letters that come after A and before Z are called medial. Our two middle letters are M, N. We are going to touch and name the alphabet in sequence. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We just touched and named the alphabet in sequence. Sequence means order.